In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't be invited as a collaborator yet on Instagram. If you're also having this issue whenever you're trying to invite someone and tag someone as a collaborator on a post on Instagram. So in this case, you cannot do anything about it. The other person needs to fix a couple of settings. So firstly, open up the profile section of Instagram by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right, and then from here tap on the three lines on the top right, and then head over to settings. From here head over to privacy, and then open up posts. And the last option that you see on post is tagged post. If the other person has turned this option on, then the invite collaborator option would not show up. So make sure that the other person has toggled this option off, and also make sure that who can tag you is set to everyone. Once you do these two steps, try to see if this fixes the issue. Now if it still does not, the other thing that I suggest you to do is, if the other person whom you're trying to tag in or invite as collaborator has added in multiple Instagram accounts to their single application, this may be the exact reason that they're facing the issue. So in this case, what can be done is you can just log out of all of the accounts that is logged in and only keep the one account which is missing the collaborator option. So you can just log out of all of the accounts and only keep the account in which the collaborator option is not showing up. This is currently a bug or an issue with Instagram, where if you have multiple accounts added in, all of the features would not be visible. So you'll need to use that one Instagram account for a couple of days, and you should be able to see the collaborator option, and you should be able to invite that other person as a collaborator on an Instagram post. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more daily videos just like this.